In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart in Excel, a skill that's both quick and essential for visualizing your data clearly and effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, you'll find these steps straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in by first considering what data you want to visualize. The initial step is selecting the data within your Excel sheet that you wish to convert into a chart. It's a good idea to include headers at the top of your selection. They serve as excellent labels that can make your chart easier to understand at a glance. You might be dealing with sales figures, survey results, or any other numerical data, and headers provide context as Excel brings your data to life. Once you've selected your data, it's time to mosey over to the Insert tab located at the top of your Excel window. Here, you have two primary options to start with. Excel offers a nifty feature called Recommended Charts, which analyzes your data and suggests the most fitting chart type. This is perfect if you're not quite sure which visual representation would work best. However, if you're feeling adventurous or have a specific chart type in mind, you can click on All Charts. This opens up a gallery of choices, including bar charts, line charts, and the always popular pie charts, among others. It's worth exploring to see which type resonates with the story you want your data to tell. After deciding on the chart type that best complements your data, simply select it from the preview and hit OK. Voila! Your chart will instantly manifest on your Excel sheet. It's almost like magic, but better because you did it yourself. Now that your chart is positioned neatly on your sheet, there's plenty you can do to customize it to perfection. Start by clicking the Chart Elements button, which appears as a small plus icon near your chart. This tool allows you to add various elements such as titles, data labels, and even a legend, ensuring your chart conveys information as clearly as possible. For those wanting to add a touch of flair, the Chart Styles option can enhance your chart with visual formatting that's professional and polished. If you ever feel like trying something new, you're in luck. You can switch your chart type anytime by navigating back to the Chart Design tab and clicking Change Chart Type. There's no need to start from scratch. For those data enthusiasts who enjoy tracking trends, consider adding a trend line to your chart. Select your chart, head to the Chart Design tab, and choose Add Chart Element. Within this menu, you can opt for Trend Line, which adds depth to your data visualization, revealing patterns like linear trends or moving averages. By following these steps, you can transform simple data sets into compelling visual stories with just a few clicks. Happy charting, and see you next time.